Al Capone, the notorious gangster and crime lord of 1920s Chicago, was a mastermind when it came to organizing and executing criminal activities. Capone's modus operandi, or method of operation, involved a combination of cunning, ruthlessness, and strategic thinking. This video delves into the modus operandi of Al Capone, shedding light on how he operated his criminal empire with calculated precision. Control through extortion and protection rackets. At the heart of Capone's criminal enterprises was his iron grip on various businesses through coercion and control. Capone and his syndicate would extort protection money from bars, restaurants, and other establishments, ensuring their safety from rival gangs and law enforcement interference. Those who refused to pay faced threats, racketeering, and even violent consequences. This provided Capone with a steady income stream and allowed him to expand his influence throughout the city. Bootlegging, the illicit trade of alcohol. Prohibition, which took effect in 1920, created a golden opportunity for organized crime, and Capone was quick to seize it. He established an extensive bootlegging operation, smuggling alcohol from distilleries in Canada and other locations. Capone's organization controlled every aspect of the trade, from production and transportation to distribution. He employed a network of corrupt officials, police officers, and politicians to facilitate his operation and avoid arrest. Violence as a method of control. Capone's modus operandi also involved employing brutal violence to maintain control and eliminate rival gangs and individuals who posed a threat. The St. Valentine's Day Massacre in 1929, where rival gang members were executed in a calculated ambush, exemplified Capone's willingness to use extreme violence. By intentionally striking fear into the hearts of his adversaries, Capone established himself as the dominant force in Chicago's criminal underworld. Political connections and bribery. One of Capone's key strategies was to cultivate relationships with politicians, law enforcement officials, and other individuals in positions of power. Through bribery and manipulation, Capone gained influence and protection, ensuring that his criminal activities often went unchecked. Corrupt officials turned a blind eye to the illegal operations under Capone's reign, fearing retaliation or enticed by substantial financial rewards. These political connections shielded Capone from prosecution and allowed him to expand his empire further. Public image and charity work. While Capone was unquestionably a criminal mastermind, he also manipulated public perception to portray himself as a generous and caring individual. He engaged in various charity initiatives, donating money to hospitals, orphanages, and soup kitchens. By presenting himself as a philanthropist, Capone attempted to whitewash his criminal reputation and gain public support and sympathy. Conclusion. Al Capone's modus operandi was a complex and multifaceted approach to criminal activity. From controlling businesses through extortion to orchestrating a bootlegging operation and employing violence as a means of control, Capone's ruthless tactics allowed him to rise to power and maintain his iron grip on Chicago's criminal underworld. His ability to leverage political connections, manipulate public perception, and operate with calculated precision made him one of the most formidable organized crime leaders in American history. Al Capone's legacy endures as a testament to the sophistication and ruthlessness of his modus operandi in building and sustaining a criminal empire.